The video is about this malicious pop-up that comes from the page Speakstandcolony-12.live. The pop-up tells that you are today's lucky visitor and that you have a chance of winning some exceptionally great prize, such as some cash or some deposit bonus or some top gadget like iPhone 12 or 11 or Samsung or something else. However, to supposedly get that prize, you're expected, the pop-up says, to pass through some really primitive survey. But the problem is that the main purpose of these pop-ups is not to help you, but rather to infect your computer and to steal your data. In some cases, the pop-up may forward you to a lot of unfamiliar pages in the internet, some pages that are not really decent and they may spread adware or browser hijackers, or the pop-up may alternatively force you into sharing some of your details like your name, email address, telephone number, and so on. In reality, I strongly advise you not to participate in all such fake surveys. Point number one, I would suggest scanning your available Mac applications visually, manually. If you find something suspicious that could cause such pop-ups, get rid of it. Sometimes the adware is concealed in the system and you cannot visually discover it. That's why I recommend scanning with Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac. Get it on the official page combocleaner.com. This is the way the application looks like. Wait until it updates the antivirus database and then click on Start Combo Scan to initiate the thorough analysis of your Mac device. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. After the scanning is completed, you'll see the detailed report about the status of your Mac. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. The antivirus will give the total number of threats, and to review them, click here. Now, the program will show you the name of each specific threat, and what's very important, it will also show you its exact location. So what you can do is to click on this icon, this button that says Show in Finder. So it will show you its location in Finder, and you may remove each specific threat manually, one at a time. So this is the free and manual approach to deleting threats from your Mac computer. And once all these threats are deleted manually, the problems with your Mac should be fixed. Or you may consider deleting these threads automatically. However, this can be done only with the premium version of the program. Thanks for watching.